back to math today. So let's review a little bit about all the 2D shapes we've learned this week. We have these shapes here: our square, our triangle, our circle, and rectangle. So I want to teach you some hand signals that go with our vocabulary that we're going to learn about these shapes. Remember, Mrs. Reeves taught us a word called vertices? Vertices. Can you say that with me? Vertices. Now your turn. Vertices. She also taught us another important vocabulary word called sides. Can you say that with me? Sides. Your turn. Good job. So these shapes each have vertices and sides. Well, what's a vertice and what's a side? How do I know the difference, Miss Orozco? That's easy. A vertice is a corner. So we're going to put our two hands like this. It looks like the roof of a house, but that tippy top part where they're touching, that's called a vertice. It's the corner of the shape where they touch, where the sides touch. Vertice. Can you show me vertice? Vertice. Now I'm going to show you the side. So the side is very similar to another sign we've learned already. You see how my arm is straight across? This is the side. That's right, side. Vertice, side. Your turn. Show me vertice. Good job, vertice. Show me side. Good job, side. And for the side, it could be either arm. It doesn't matter which one. So now what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to help me count the sides and the vertices on each of these shapes. You ready? We have our triangle. Friends, looking at this triangle, how many vertices does it have? How many corners? Remember? Vertices. How many corners does it have? Thank you. It has 3. 1, 2, 3. How many sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. So the triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The next shape we have is our circle. Circle, circle. And the circle is very special because it is just one curved line. Does it have any vertices? Do you see any vertices or corners on my circle? Me neither. What about any sides? Remember, these are straight lines on a shape. Do you see any sides on this? Nope. It's just one long curved side, just like that. Next up, we have our rectangle. And remember, friends, the important part to remember about the rectangle is that it has 4 sides, but there are 2 sides longer than the others. This one's short, this one's long. This one's short, this one's long. Do you see that? Help me count. How many vertices are in the rectangle? How many vertices? How many corners? How many vertices do you see? 4. Perfect. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right there. Now, the next one is very similar to the rectangle, but this one has 4 equal sides. That means that every single side is the same size. They are the same length. So, because they're very similar to the rectangle, how many sides does it have? How many sides? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many corners does it have? How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Getting to be some amazing shape experts. So what we'd like for you to do today is we'd like for you to continue practicing on your Go Math book. The reason we want you to practice in this Go Math book is because this book is an amazing resource, friends. Our district had these books made especially for you so that we can become shape experts. And then next week, we get to do some amazing crafts with our shapes. But in order to be able to participate in those crafts and to be able to use the shapes correctly, we have to know which one is which, right? We're going to use volume 2, and we're going to use pages 601 to 606. And they're showing on the screen right now so you know what they look like. Friends, I hope you have a lot of fun becoming shape experts today. And make sure you take pictures of your pages and submit them to us here on Schoology. Bye, friends.